For Kaiser Willys Auto Supply, this is valve, train, and parts. Jeep and Willys for 134L engine. Shop 24/7 at www.kaiserwillys.com. And here's what it's going to look like when you have all your valve train installed. This is a new 134L engine block, the Go Devil. It's for 1941 through 53 MB, GPW, CJ2A, 3A, the M38, and Willys truck, station wagon, and the Jeepster. Using a pre-assembled intake and exhaust manifold will help you to properly identify where to place your new intake and exhaust valves. Insert your valves into the correct valve guides. I know that building these Willys and Jeeps can sometimes be a little confusing as to whether or not your wagon has a 6.226 Super Hurricane or a 6.161 Lightning L-head motor. If you have any questions, we do have an engine application guide at the bottom of our engine section at KaiserWillys.com. And of course, if you have any questions, please give us a call at 1-888-648-4923 or email Mike at KaiserWillys.com. The next step in our valve train assembly is to install the intake and exhaust valve springs, the spring retainers, and the split valve spring locks. To do this, you'll be using a valve compression tool, and what you're going to need to do is compress the spring until the retainer goes over top of your valve tappet and the adjusting screw for the lifter. Now that you've installed all of your springs, retainers, and locks, push your valves into the locks to lock them in place. And finally, using a feeler gauge, adjust your valves to the proper clearance. If you're having any technical difficulty building your new Jeep or Willys engine, we do have a tech guide at the top of KaiserWillys.com for all 1941 through 1971 Willys and Jeep vehicles. And of course, you can always get the right Jeep parts and accessories 24/7 online at www.kaiserwillys.com. On behalf of Kaiser Willys, I'd like to give a special shout out to all of the great people at the Willys reunion that helped make this engine build possible. Thank you.